Okay, what we're going to do now is to configure a system to actually use the multilingual modules that we've previously enabled. So once again, we must be signed in, so you'll have your edit menu, your admin menu at the top of the screen here, and we're going to head over to structure, and then we're going to head into content types. And for every content type that we have on our system, what we can see here are the default content types that have been previously created for the typical user as we ship info points, but you may have more. But for the whole point is that for every content type you have created, you must tell it how it's going to use translation. So head into the edit and head down to the bottom of the screen. We have the tabs. The gotcha is the publishing items, because there's some multilingual support options hidden under publishing, and what you need to do is make sure that you have multilingual support enabled with translation. And then on the multilingual settings, you can ignore the first set of checkboxes unless you really know why you want to select one of these boxes, but you must select normal usage. All enabled languages will be allowed. And then once you've changed those settings, save the content type, and you wait a moment and you'll get the green banner that tells you that the changes have been successfully saved. So this can take a few moments because the system's making quite a lot of internal changes. And now we have the green flash. The content type audio media has been updated, and we must go through that for each of the content types. Once you've gone through that entire list, you must also tell the menus, which are a separate type of content, how they will use multilingual support. So we head into structure and then down to menus, and then for each of the menus that we want to use multilingual support, very probably it's going to be the main menu, so I'll start there, but any other menus you've created that will want to use translation, you must do the same there as well. So we're going to do this on the main menu, so we're going to edit the menu, and we see now we have multilingual options here, and by default it's set to no multilingual options for menu items, only the menu will be translatable. What you will actually want is translate and localize. What that means is that wherever a translation of a menu option item has been created and is available, and the user has said they want to use a particular language, that translated menu item will be available to the user. Quite takes a bit getting your head around that, but basically it's this middle option that you want, translation and localize, and then do a save. And once again you get the green banner, your configuration has been saved, and that's it. You must repeat that for every option. We'll go through how to actually create the translated menus on a separate training video.